Tiffany here with DreamHome Remodeling, and I'm here with one of our customers that we just did some siding work for from the recent hailstorm. So John, you and I have been in communication with each other. There was a bit of a misunderstanding. So let me share with us about what your experience with DreamHome has been and what we did to rectify it.
Sure. Well, when I first found out about DreamHome, I contacted them, and the rep that I talked to was very helpful, very nice. Customer service was good right off the bat. They came, set up an appointment, arrived on time. The gentleman that they had come by the house was thorough and very good with explaining how the company worked. Once the work was approved, they came back out, did some measurements, and there was a little bit of a miscommunication on services that I thought were getting done as opposed to what was approved. And so when they came out to do the work, I contacted them when I realized that there was a miscommunication, and it was handled very well. They really went above and beyond to make everything right, and I was really happy with the service. Even when they came out to do the repairs, the crew was nice, the crew was clean, they worked efficiently. My son napped through the entire time that they were here, and that was great. And I was just telling Tiffany earlier, what I feel like really makes a company and somebody that I want to continue doing business with isn't necessarily when everything goes right, which you want everything to go right off the bat 100% of the time, sure. But what is a company that I want to continue working with is somebody who, when there is that little hiccup and something goes wrong, there is a miscommunication, they really step up. And how is that problem rectified, and where do we go on from there? And from where I stand, DreamHome has really gone above and beyond to keep me satisfied and keep me as a customer, which I'll continue on. I mean, I already have an estimate pending to have windows done too in the future. So I'm really looking forward to continuing on and having future home repairs with DreamHome Remodeling.
Perfect. Another lifelong customer, and John said it exactly right. We really strive to go above and beyond for our customers, so really happy that we were able to help you out.
Thank you.